Okay, here is the true color, y'all. I love it though. I used to do that for my husband like all the time, and I've been slacking. I don't want it too congested with overload with fall decor in here. Them prices are so crazy, and you can only imagine too. It's Thanksgiving. And that's a reminder that I will be 51 in November.
There are some important things to know. When your mailbox is ready to migrate, if you've received your email invite to register,
Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Today is September 30th. Can you believe that we are going into the fourth quarter? Look at me talking my work talk. But we are almost at the end of the year, y'all. This year, I say it every year. What is that noise? I say this every year, but this year, y'all, time has truly flown. I remember being in New York City last year for my 50th birthday, y'all. And it's almost a year later, and that's a reminder that I will be 51 in November. Time has flown, y'all. It is crazy. But I have had back-to-back meetings this morning. I'm just now taking a break. I made me some coffee. I kind of want some more, y'all, because I got my creamer that I showed you in another vlog. This is I don't know, tell me. Because the packaging I had for this was a white package, but it looks green. It's like a hunter green, and it is so festive. It's getting me in the mood for Christmas, really. This is my favorite creamer, period. I am not into the pumpkin spice of it all. Everybody's like, really? I like sweet potato pie, not pumpkin pie. There is a difference. I am just not the biggest... I'm just not a pumpkin lover. I don't know what else to say, y'all. What else is going on? We finally got all of our fall decor up. I have a couple of pieces that I'm going to put up here a little later. We have some stuff that we're going to toss because, as you know, I have been into huge declutter projects. I need to film some of those. I really need to edit some that I have already filmed, y'all. I am so behind on editing. And that's why this one girl told me, a YouTuber. She's a nano YouTuber like me, just really small. But she was like, she likes to go live to get more views and that kind of stuff, and it's more interactive. And I can agree with that. And I enjoyed the lives that I did, but to go on a live and I'm decorating, I guess it's just informal. They're just watching, you're just watching me put up stuff and all of that. So let me know in the comments if you would be interested in me actually decorating. Because if I get enough of you guys that tell me yes, maybe I'll do that for Vlogmas, around Vlogmas, because I do plan to participate in Vlogmas. But I can do a video, a live one maybe, but I will film a lot of videos with my Christmas decor shopping, even Christmas shopping. So I do plan on participating in Vlogmas. We will see. Let me know if y'all are interested and what all you would like to see of me. Again, I have a cooking channel, so I don't show too much tutorial type recipes here. You can go to my you can go to my other YouTube page, Savoring Life's Journey, and that's where all of the recipes and all that is. So I'm not completely new to these YouTube streets. I started my cooking channel during the pandemic. So I think it was July of 2020, and I'm about a little over 7,500 subscribers there, y'all. I was not just consistent. Key here, if you want to grow a channel, consistency is key. I pretty much took like a 6-month hiatus when I first started that channel, which I should not have, because that would have pulled in a lot more views had I been consistent, because people were watching YouTubes when they were at home in isolation and all of that. But you know, it is what it is, honey. But yes, I will take you along for some of the holiday meals or baking that I do on my cooking channel, but I'll share some here during Vlogmas. All right, so stay tuned. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to go back upstairs for a minute. I thought I had my coffee cup down here. That's the only reason I came downstairs, but let's go up here because Layla, honey, is being too grown, y'all, and her tail just ends up in other rooms. Let me see. She's not in here. Layla? Or she's just not answering me, y'all. Layla's a trip, honey. She is a trip, y'all. Let me see. There she is. Look at her right here, y'all. Top of the steps, just looking. Say hi. Say hi, pretty girl. Okay, y'all, I'm back upstairs. Today I'm working in the bonus room. I have my laptops and everything set up here. So I just felt like being up here today instead of the office. We're in the middle too of putting up some decor up here in the bonus room. It doesn't go with our aesthetic. I think it was at Walmart and it's so cute, but it doesn't go with our aesthetic downstairs. So I'm trying to think where I would put these. I'm thinking about taking them downstairs and putting them on my shelves in the kitchen. So we have 2 of these, but I had them up here because we needed something festive, you know, up here in the bonus room too. I want to run to Home Goods, girl, because you know, once you have everything up, there's always something else you need. And I don't want it too congested with overload with fall decor in here because it's such an open floor plan. But I do want to get the bonus room upstairs decorated. You know, I definitely wanted to get new pillows, period, for the sofa. Those pillows came with the sectional when we got it years ago, when we moved here, so almost 6 years ago, and we've never changed out the pillows. So I want a whole different look up there, a cozier vibe. So I'm going for probably lighter curtains. Our curtains upstairs are like a deep maroon, and the pillows have maroon in it and those kind of deeper colors. And then our, you know, sectional in the bonus room is a deep gray. So I'm a yellow. Yellow is my favorite color, and then green is my second favorite. And my husband kind of frowns on yellow because it's so spring-like all the time. But if you don't get it really bright, I think it'll look nice. But honey, I have to listen to him because he's a home decor person too. He sometimes has better taste than I do. So maybe Home Goods this weekend. It's only Tuesday, but I have a whole list of things I want to get. Y'all, all this Christmas stuff out here is just complete overload. Is that my phone going off? I have my work phone down here. Oh, we're supposed to sign this woman's card. Y'all, there's this, okay, I know I'm all over the place in this vlog, but just thinking about that email. I'll tell you that in a minute. But yeah, we're gonna go and just get a few more pieces that I need for fall. We were, if you watched my previous vlogs, we were planning on hosting Thanksgiving. And with October 1 almost approaching, we haven't told everybody officially that we planned on hosting. So we are both kind of like, we don't feel like hosting all of a sudden. My mom always hosts. She's been hosting for the longest. We hosted the year before last. My brother hosted last year for Thanksgiving, and it was nice. So it's good to give my mom, after like 50 plus years of hosting Thanksgiving, a break, you know? So I was telling Corey last night, I was like, are you sure you don't want to host Thanksgiving? Because we only told my parents. We haven't told anybody else. So nobody really knew that we planned on hosting it. We booked the hotel. We're supposed to be in Chicago the early part of December. He wants just to get away one more time and actually see the decor of Chicago. We've been planning that, so we need to confirm that for sure this weekend. I booked the hotel, but you know, you can, cancel up until like a few days before we arrive, but we think we're gonna do that because I don't think the Dallas Cowboys game on Thanksgiving is gonna work after all. It's just it's one thing to be expensive. If we're gonna do that, I'd rather go to New York, to be honest, and be here with family for Thanksgiving. But y'all, them prices are so crazy, and you can only imagine too. It's Thanksgiving, and even flying anywhere around that time is just expensive. Either way, we get a chance to kind of enjoy another city right after Thanksgiving while enjoying Thanksgiving with our loved ones. So I think that's the plan right now, y'all. I need to run to the store So if I do that, I may not go though until tomorrow. And when I do that, I always take my camera with me and we do a car vlog. You know how it goes, girl. You know how it goes. But I usually go on Sundays to get my resupply of vitamins. If you watch my videos at all, you'll know. But y'all, I don't know. I'm just looking in here to the left, y'all. I'm looking at my kitchen and I'm trying to decide what else needs to go up on like the shelves up there at the top that you see. I don't want it too cluttered at all. So I'm trying just to think, and we need to put that other, it's on the counter over there. I don't know if you saw that, but there's one of the lanterns up there that my husband put up there after the painters completed their job, but we never did put it back up there. And I think because I liked it on the counter and how it matched the kind of tannish decor, but we need it back up there. Or I can put something maybe fall-like up there. You hear Layla coming down, y'all? But this is the color. This is a really good depiction of the color that we have in our house now. Still need that picture, girl. We still have not gotten that picture for over the sofa, but I love the color, what you can see of it right here. It looks good. It looks good, but it looks lighter, but I'll put that color. What, honey? I'll put that color in the description box, but we loved it. At first we were thinking, is it gonna be too light? But it looks perfect, especially with the white curtains up. But yes, y'all, I am rambling. Let me get back up here, y'all. This girl, what I was going to tell you about, this, she is a director of recruitment. She is leaving. I guess she's leaving voluntarily. I don't know. We don't know what's going on here. Okay, Layla, hold on, y'all. Let me let her out. Okay, I'm back. Oh, Lordy. But yeah, she's leaving like so many others. And to be honest, I'm trying to get out of here too. And my interview went really well. So I heard from the recruiter. Okay, I'll tell you that later. Anyway, her last day is, I think, next Tuesday or something. And they keep reminding us to sign this e-card for her. But I don't think anybody's really signing it. I guess I'll go on here and sign this thing, child. Wish her well, honey, and keep it moving. Just keep it moving. But other than that, y'all, Layla's outside. When she comes in, I'm going to go back up here. I haven't heard back from my husband. I don't know what I'm going to make for dinner tonight. I'm good with having my leftover grilled hot dogs, and it's a burger left. And then I baked him some chicken yesterday. Hold on, that's Layla. Okay, maybe not. I've been hearing things here, y'all. I don't know what's going on. When Layla comes in, I'm gonna finish some reports. I need to find out from my husband what he wants. I baked him some chicken yesterday because I used to do that a lot. Bake him chicken so he can have throughout the week for his lunch. Meal prep, I need to get back into meal prep, y'all. I used to do that for my husband like all the time, and I've been slacking. But I'm going to do that. So I baked him some chicken thighs, bone-in chicken thighs yesterday. And that is him texting now. He wants to eat the chicken because today is gym day, y'all. So really at this time, it is 12:40. Usually, honey, by around 1 o'clock, I have dinner cooked, okay? Because I have to block off time so I can, do things around here as I work from home. We'll get dinner cooked because if I'm going to the gym in the evening, dinner has to be prepared, y'all. I don't come back home and cook dinner. It's too late by the time we get home. It's time for our shows and relax, okay? So that's good. He's good. So I'm going to make him some corn on the cob to go with that chicken. We still have some of my turnip greens left. And we ended up eating all those, y'all. I thought I was going to have to freeze them, but it was so good. And then I'll do another sweet potato. So we have 2 more. I baked some last night for dinner for our leftovers burgers. And I'm going to go ahead and I may put them in the oven this time. But the microwave was just fine, honey. I think I'm going to do that a little later. So that'll be dinner. And then I'll cook salmon croquettes, I think, tomorrow. So I decided to wear my hair out today, y'all. I had 2-strand twisted this on an older wash and go after I colored my hair. So this is the 4th big chop for y'all that are new here. Welcome, by the way. But this is my hair. This is day, gosh, I really should say just day 2 because what I did with a wash and go, and then the next day I just twisted it up, didn't add nothing. I just grabbed it in clumps and twisted. And this is what it came out like, y'all. And I just took it out because I've been wearing my wigs, if you notice, just to protect this right now and let it grow out some. I love dark roots, so hopefully I'm gonna get some of those soon, y'all. I love it though. I love it. So this is the style for today. I used, what did I use? Curls. Is it curls? I'll list it in the description box, y'all. I cannot even remember what I used. Blueberry Bliss. I don't know what to say. It gives me great definition, I'll say, but it gives that sticky residue when I twist and I unravel the next day. It's something about it that there's a residue on my hands and my hair. I don't know. I'm torn, but I do like it. I like it for this twist out a lot. So I'll take you outside and show a true color. Let me take you outside so you can see my hair. Okay, here is the true color, y'all. I like it. I like it. It is like 4 hours later, y'all. So I am finishing up on everything on work for today. And I need to feed Layla shortly. That was it for today, y'all. Today I will be going to the gym. So this is Tuesday. I go to the gym on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I'm looking at this, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm looking somewhere else. But I go to the gym Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And I try to squeeze in a Monday class, a hot class, but we'll see here. Today is pretty light. Yesterday was too for a Monday, to be honest. Y'all, I finally found this, but this is, I hope the sound is okay. But here's my microphone. I found it. So I am good here. I'm going to charge that up. So when I'm sometimes just filming or going live, I'll go outside and chat with you guys. I love the outdoors, and we're almost at 90 today, y'all, and it is September 30th. We're at almost 90. But here in the South, in Tennessee especially, it is just terribly hot. And it takes us forever to get that cool climate of fall, even though we're already in fall. But we'll get our fair share of it when we go to Chicago in December. So I'm hoping that's still the plan. Hopefully nothing changes. I'll keep you posted. I would have already had my Christmas stuff up by then. Ooh, that's pushing it tight though. So that's good. If we don't host Thanksgiving, I still would have my Christmas stuff up way before Thanksgiving. So we're gonna enjoy a month, about 6 weeks of our fall decor. But anyway, I digress, y'all. I'm gonna chill with my husband and watch some TV. Y'all, that movie, that Netflix series with Jason Bateman, fire. We finished the last episode last night. You gotta check it out. I'll list it down here in the video, but let me know what you think of it. And I trying to think if my fall decor video will go up before this. It probably will, but anywho, either way, I will talk to y'all in the next video. I'm trying to also narrow down a time, a definite day and time. So let me know what's best for you guys in the comment section as well. But until then, thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.